Hi, my name is Tisham, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to do part A, question 1. So, let's begin. Shuhada plans to take a loan of Rm50,000 from a bank. She gets two different options for her loan. The first option charges an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly, while the second option charges an interest rate of 4.42% compounded semi-annually. If Shuhada plans to make the loan for 10 years, calculate the amount of interest charged from each option. So, firstly, we need to know the formula before starting to find the solution. The formula is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K per M close the bracket and power of MT. Then we can begin calculating it. For this question, it is asking to find two options, which is two solutions. So, we may start by writing down as what I'm showing in the slide. S equal 30,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.044 per 12, close the bracket. Power of 12 times 10. You will get S equal to Rm77,572.91. That is for option number 1. While for option number 2 is S equal to 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0422 per 2, close the bracket, power of 2 times 10, and you will get S equal to Rm77,417.26. Let's move on to the next question. For B, it is asking us which offer should Shuhada choose, and we need to give it a reason. The answer to the question is, personally for me, Shuhada should choose the second option because it has lower rate than the first option. That's all from me. Bye-bye.
So question 2, part A. RMX has been invested in an investment scheme for 36 months. The interest rate was 3.5% compounded quarterly if the accumulated amount was Rm11,102.03. So question A, calculate the value of X. So in this question we will use the S equal P in bracket 1 plus K over M and bracket and to the power of M and T. So we just put the formula in. We have the S 11,102.03 equal P in bracket 1 plus the K is 3.5, which is we divided by 100, so we get 0.035, and the M is the compounded quarterly, so which is 4, and bracket and multiply the 4 with 36 over 12, which is 36 months over 12, because in 1 year we get 12 months. So we calculate in the bracket first. So we got 1.11020345, and we switch over, so we divided those two with 11102.03 over 1.11020345, so we get even 10k. And the next question B, determine the amount of interest earned. So we use the I equal S minus P, so we get the S 11,102.03 minus 10k. So the I we got Rm 11,102.03. So the next question C, calculate how long the RMX will accumulate to Rm 20,076.31. So in this question we will use the same formula, P in bracket 1 plus K over M in bracket the power of M and T, 10k. So we use the formula in, we put the formula in, 10k in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 4 and bracket and 4 times 36 over 12. So we calculate in the bracket first. So we get 1.11020345. I divided those two, so 10k over 1.11020345. In answer, we get 9 years. That's all. Thank you.
Next, for part B question 1, Lily wants to purchase an 85,000 ringgit car, so she paid a 10% down payment. She then pays the balance of the car with a loan from a bank that charges an interest rate of 4% compound monthly. The question for A is, find the amount of her monthly payment for 9 years. So the solution for question A, firstly, we need to find the value of A. It is 10 divided by 100 times 85,000 equal 8,500. Then 85,000 minus 8,500, so we got 76,500. We need to use present value formula. It is A equals R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of negative MT divided by K over M. We enter the value in the formula and calculate it. So we will got 76,500 divided by 90.57176143. We calculate it again and we got R equal 844.63 ringgit. Next, question B is, calculate the amount of interest charged from her loan. The solution for this question is, we need to find the amount of interest first, that is I equals MTR minus A. We enter the value in the formula as usual, so we got 12 times 9 times 844.63 minus 76,500. Calculate it and the answer is 14,720.04 ringgit. Lastly, for question C is, after paying for 7 years, Lily decided to settle all the outstanding balance. Find the amount that Lily needs to pay on the 84 payment. The solution is, we use the same formula as question A, that is present value formula. Enter the value in formula then calculate it. For an easy way, we settle calculate in bracket first. So we got A equal 844.63 times 23.02825.083, and the final answer is 19,450.35 ringgit.
Okay, next for part B is question 2. The statement is, every month Julia save RM350 in an account that pays 5% compound monthly for 8 years. Look at question A. Calculate the accumulated amount at the end of 8 years. So at the question, we must to calculate the accumulated amount. Firstly, we need to know what formula we can use for this question. Okay, this is a formula. After that, enter the given information into the formula, which is R is 350, 1 plus 0.05 over 12. And this is K and M in formula. And then, enter M and T. T for time. And divide by K over M. Calculate and we got the answer is RM412091.18. So, settle for question A. Now, we move to the question B. Calculate the amount of interest received by Julia at the end of 8 years. So, firstly, don't forget to write your formula. And the formula is I equal to S minus MTR. Okay, first, 41,209.18 minus 12 bracket 8 bracket 350. Calculate and we got the answer is RM7609.18. Okay, next we move to the last question is C. Julia add 5,000 to her savings account but stop her monthly installment. How much did Julia have in her account in 10 years from her initial saving? So, first we must to find the new saving account Julia. So, we must to plus 41 to 07.25 with 5,000 because in question said she add 5,000, right? So we get the new P is 46 to 07.25. Remember, we must to enter all of given information into the formula and calculate, and the final answer we can get RM 51056.30. So that's all.